Recording now.
Good.
Mike playing with the cup.
Yeah. Crazy Mike.
Look at the shit this guy does.
Mike.
Oh, the Catskill Mountain Woodsman. He built some nice stuff.
I like that.
Mike.
That's a lot of work getting all them limbs to work like that and everything.
Yep.
Ass shot.
A lot of sun, a lot of water. You gotta tweak them, give them the sun, give them the warp, bend.
That's my next thing, is getting a steamer set up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's it,
Monday
folks.
after I find out what everything is, and everything goes well.